Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss electrostatics. First of all, what is electric field? Electric field at a point is defined as the limit of the ratio between the force on a test charge placed at that point to the test charge as the test charge approaches to zero. In mathematical form, electric field, this is electric field, at a certain point r is equal to limit q tending to 0 F by q, where F is the force experienced by the test charge q placed at the point r. If we define this in graphical notation or in graphical form, we can take the Cartesian coordinate system. This is x, this is y, and this is z. Suppose there is some charge distribution, say there is a charge q. Due to this charge, there can be an electric field. What is then the electric field? The electric field will be the force experienced by a test charge q near about this point charge q at a certain distance r. The force experienced by this point charge q due to this charge capital Q is F is equal to small q capital Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square into unit vector r. Therefore, the electric field due to this charge capital Q at point this r will be ER is equal to limit q, this test charge q tending to 0 of F or this force by the test charge, where the test charge tending to 0 means the test charge is so small that it does not alter the charge distribution or which produces this electric field. It can be one charge or many charges. Next, the electric dipole. What is a electric dipole? Two equal and opposite point charges separated by a distance small compared to the distance at which the potential or the field due to this charge configuration is desired are said to constitute an electric dipole. Here, two point charges, one is minus q and second is plus q. Both are equal but opposite in sign, or one is positive charge and the other is negative charge, and they separated by a distance 2l, and this constitution or this system of two charges is called a electric dipole. Next, electric dipole moment. The product of the magnitude of one charge and the separation between the charges is called the electric dipole moment. Here the two charges are separated by a distance 2l, so the electric dipole moment P will be q into 2l. Now we will calculate the electric field due to a dipole in three different cases. First case, consider a dipole like this. This is minus q charge and this is plus q charge, and this is its midpoint, say the origin of coordinate. The distance between these two charges is 2l as before this. Now if we want to calculate the electric field at a certain point P, which is situated on the same line of the dipole, then the electric field will be first of all, due to this plus charge or due to this positive charge plus q, if we post a plus 1 charge here or a unit positive charge here, then this positive charge q will repel this unit positive charge along this direction, and the electric field due to this positive charge will be along this direction. Say this is E1. Next, due to this negative charge or negative minus q charge, this unit positive charge will be attracted along this direction, and due to this negative charge the electric field will be along this direction, say E2. Now let this point P is at a distance r. For the sake of calculation or simple calculation, we can take this distance as r. Now due to this positive charge, what will be E1? Due to plus q charge, the electric field at P is E1 is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r minus L whole square. The direction of E1 is along OP. Next, due to minus q charge, the electric field at P is E2 is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r plus L whole square. Direction of E2 is along TO direction. Therefore, the resultant field will be E is equal to E1 plus E2 is equal to, in the previous case, this is E1 q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r minus L whole square, and this is E2 q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r plus L whole square. Now put this here, q by 4 pi epsilon 0 common, and within the bracket we can write 1 by r minus L whole square minus, sorry, here I have missed the sign, this will be minus q. So here this is 1 by minus 1 by r plus L whole square is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 in the denominator, r square minus L square whole square, and in the numerator this is 4RL by simple algebra. Now we know P, or the dipole moment, is equal to Q into 2L, or in scalar notation P is equal to Q into 2L simply. So here we can write this entire equation as E is equal to 2P into this R by 4 pi epsilon 0 into R square minus L square whole square. In vector notation, E is equal to 2P R by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square minus L square whole square. If we consider the medium in this figure, the medium between this dipole and the point where we have to find the electric field is filled with some dielectric substance, then this epsilon 0 here and here and here will be replaced by its dielectric constant. Now the equation for dielectric constant, K is equal to epsilon by epsilon 0, where epsilon is the permittivity of that medium. Then this epsilon 0 or this epsilon 0 will be replaced by this epsilon. Then the equation will be E is equal to 2PR by 4 pi epsilon into R square minus L square whole square, and this epsilon can be replaced in terms of this dielectric constant. Therefore K is equal to, epsilon is equal to K into epsilon 0. We can replace epsilon in terms of dielectric constant, and electric field will be 2pr by 4 pi k epsilon 0 into r square minus l square whole square. This is a very important equation. Also, this equation is very important. Now, a special case. When R is much greater than L, when this R is much greater than L, then the electric field will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 k into 2p by r cube by simplification. Therefore, for this case, E will be proportional to 1 by r cube.